Hello everyone, my name is Leanne and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. And I know you are here because you want to know the process and how to do the 90 days notification mobile app. But before that, I want you to subscribe, like, comment, and after watching this, you can share this video to your friend. I am just here in the park because I have work today and binilisan ko lang ito. So from now on, you're going to see the screen on this side. First thing you have to do is you have to open or you have to download the app from the App Store. Okay, you are going to search Immigration Eservice app and then you will see this one. I have downloaded it already, so you can open it to App Store if you're using iPhone, but if you're using Android, you can go to Play Store. You can go to Play Store and search Immigration Eservice app, and then this one will come out, IMM Eservice. So we have to open that one. And this one will come out in your screen. And then you are going to do register. You have to click register here. That one. So you have to provide all the information needed. And then you have to click register. After you click the register, you will receive an email like this. Okay? The email like this one. And then it says there, the blue. The highlighted with blue one, it says there that set your password and activate your account now. So you have to click that one, and then after you click that, you will see a notification that says your account is activated. So then you have to go back to the app, and then you have to log in using your ID and password. So here I will log in using my account. Okay, and then my password, don't look. Okay, so I have to log in. Upon logging in, I can see there that says there notification staying over 90 days or TM47. Yes, yesterday I went to the immigration and I have tried this app already, but then since my application, my 90 days is due today, so I cannot apply online because it is less than 7 days. So when you apply a 90 days notification here in this app, make sure that your notification is not due yet or is not very close. It should be 7 days before, but not more than 15 days. So 15 days or 7 days but not less than 7 days before your notification due. Okay, so now what is 15 days and 7 days? That means that 15 working days, not included again, so Saturday and Sunday. So you have to apply 15 days before but not less than 7 days. So I've been repeating that, no? Balik-balik, samok. Okay, so notification overstaying 90 days. So it says here, you can, right here, after clicking that one, you can see notification saying check the status, cancel your application, download your downloaded document. So just follow this instruction, guys. So now you will see there the terms and condition, and you have to go to the next page. So the next page, and then you have to click accept. You have to click the red one and then accept. And then after that, you will be forwarded to I have already applied. But I'm not gonna, but let's try this one again. I don't want to play in this app because I'm scared. So during my application in this app, my application wasn't accepted. That's because I applied Sunday, and then my notification was due today, and that was only 2 days, so they didn't accept my application. But I have asked my friend to do this in behalf of me, and he was able to continue until the end. And this is the finished. At the end, it says there, your application is pending. What does it mean, pending? That means that they have a week to approve your application. So not right away your application will be approved. So it will be pending. So from time to time you have to check your application status right here. Yeah, so they will, yeah, you can scan the barcode, or you can check the reference number, or can search. You can do that one. You can enter your passport number, or you could scan your barcode, which will be given after you finished filing the application. So now let's go. Or if you want to cancel your application also, just the same, you can scan the barcode, or you can check by using your passport number and date of birth and nationality. Okay, so downloaded files, we don't have that. I didn't download anything. So basically this app is to help us foreigners here, that we don't need to go to the immigration office, because sometimes it will take a lot of our time. So this application make our life easier. So I hope this video can help you, and also this video you will share this to your friends, to those who need. Immigration did their best to make this app so that us foreigners don't need to travel very far. Sometimes it's very far, and spend for fare going to their office. So guys, thank you so much, and I hope you learned from this video, and come back for my next video. I do product try on, and I do have vlogs also, so check that one. I have a lot of videos already uploaded in my YouTube channel, so if you have time, you can visit me in there. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and that notification bell, so that whenever I will post a new video, you will be notified, and you will be the first one to see my video. Thank you so much. God bless, and goodbye. Enjoy your day.